Guys, if it's your first time watching Jammiwood TV, like,
subscribe,
share,
and
comment and hit that notification bell for upcoming videos.
Yeah man, if it's the first time you're watching, the ladies them tell her that already what to do. Alright? So you are going different the door. This is the kickoff for the big promotion that we've been telling you about. We are give away $10,000. It's gonna be a raffle, right? So 10,000 for this month, 20,000 for the next month, 30,000 for the other month. You go on and on. Every month it increased by $10,000. Alright? So all you win now is just by watching the movie fully and write down the numbers them out of it. When you finish now, you leave a comment with the number. So like if you like the movie, you tell what you like about the movie, then you leave the 4-digit number. And each entry, each comment give your entry. You know what I mean? So if you do it 40,000 times, you will have 40,000 piece of paper, you know, the raffle for you. You know what I mean? Because we give back to the people them who help put Jammiwood where it's at today. So let's go.
We got, whoa, we got, oh, hey, it's not like yesterday. We got problem now, 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 we got problem now. You can run but you can't hide. You can run but you can't hide. You'll have to pay for the things them you do. Not gonna get away so easy. Not gonna get away so easy. We got problem now. 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 Not because me easy, not because I play it cool. I ain't no fool. It no matter if me know you from basic school. You cross the line. You shoulda never mess with mine. We got, but we got problem now. We got problems now. Not gonna get away so easy. Not gonna get away so easy. Not gonna get away so easy. We got problems now. We got problems now.
Girl, you say you come here to me and I eat, girl.
Wagwan, young.
Yeah, I know.
I know few woman no get over the loss of our child, and me no get over it, you know. So me I seek for answers. At any time, did our daughter talk to you about suicidal thoughts?
No.
Because anyway, when you want to go, are you as the one to come or the next one? Action. Because I don't know. But anytime you don't want to go nowhere, you don't always come forward. Right? And beg me to make you go to all over the place. I don't know there with her so much time, I don't know if she said she really go through something.
But we don't know what she go through. She not talk to it. She not say nothing to it. I know what happened.
Alright. Alright. I just make you know say it's a sad story though. And a friend, you come a friend and everything and show no respect and read no eulogy. But still, me think say you should have done more because Uno and our best friend. She not talk to her parents and I want to talk about it.
But she not tell me nothing at all, so that's why we are saying we don't know what happened.
Alright, anyway, I just that. So find no other story. Alright? Young one. Where your mother there? Oh, and your mother will come to talk to you. You are my daughter friend.
She's in a 7th grade, we are friends till now.
And she dead?
Yeah.
You know. She committed suicide, right? And you couldn't save her?
We do, we do. She look happy and sweet.
She didn't look happy?
Yeah.
Listen, as a friend, your friend must talk to you. You know, she not tell her nothing at all.
No.
She did have boyfriend and boyfriend left her?
No.
What? What happened?
We don't know what happened.
Boy, bad doing them. She said me and her father still. Her mother she live with still. Right? But every time I want to carry, I go up and down and go anywhere. And me, who have to call to get approval. I'm sending her because I was on a roll. Right?
Yeah.
So, oh no, you don't know nothing at all.
We don't know nothing.
She not dead for you in a long time.
Yeah.
So, oh, you never dead for her in a fear time.
We never know because she look happy and sweet like nothing on the wire.
Cause right now, me and her mother not there, you know. But she really a go through it. You know.
You feel it here.
You feel it here. She not no feelings no more because she not there. But anyway, the disappointed. Right? Alright. Now say nothing more to you.
You take it?
You not come in the house, man. You know, say you live with a boyfriend. Up here, you had me go a while ago. And your mother tells I don't see you live there now. Alright? And let me come talk to you about though. I'm a daughter. Because I will on a friend. And she passed funeral and everything keep already, but still you know want to put zone. So I try figure out who part me go wrong as a father and I figure out who I go wrong as a friend. So in that period of time, you never see no sign of her would have want to do that to herself where you could have said to me or somebody who could have saved her life.
Yeah, because she not tap on her.
You stout one. So how about how you hold on her friend and you make sure you know who they are?
We tell her to tap, but she don't listen.
Because you know, so my daughter is a soft type of little girl, like, you know? She's very easy to cry and
So she not bully her and bring her down and these things. Is that what?
anyway, thanks for the information. Now leave out me. I'll leave out of the place here, because I have some things to dealing, but I just want a little closure. Because I always come on the phone when I don't want to run out of it. Because if I don't say so, her mother won't let her out to do no still. But it's sad and done gone already. Alright.
Yeah, good evening. Are you near Mira though?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you me come to? You did know say you want Shayna walk and call up a name? Yes, I talk about say you sleep out with man at night time.
I don't know anything there.
Well, she had thought she go sleep with one boy named O'Shane last night.
I want him to.
Me no know. Well, when you ask me, you said no, you're a friend, you should know. Well, that's what she say. And she had called up her name for all type of things. And I hear and I say, me I come to you, come ask you because if I did my friend and she was going to call up my name. You know what that do to her?
Yeah.
Or that lick out to her teeth, let me see. If not broke one her foot them. And, sure.
And she says she's my friend.
She says she ain't a friend. I just have to beat the girl and make she know her. Hey, actually, you should make a girl know herself, man. I can walk and call up her name. What kind of style that? I don't know, good thing she call up her name and no one heap of man. I ask you one question though.
Yeah.
I chose you and O'Shane nothings. Chose you sleep with him last night.
No?
I not doubt you, I not doubt you. I just ask a question.
Yeah, she does it.
Okay. Well, I your friend says to you, so I just say I come ask you. But anyways, like I say, I am not sleep. I come go back to my yard. So you're not dealing with who want to deal with, yeah? Alright, later.
And that's yes me call you out here saying. You know say me know say you can use to me man.
Oh, what? Me can use to your man?
Yes, see me I talk to the not too happy say I'm bigger than you. What
No, you're funny, girl. You're funny.
It look like me a laugh. You see laughing from my face.
Girl.
Listen to what me I say. Let me chat. Let me talk to you.
Yeah,
shit.
talk.
When me dey up a bush, me and Maliki was talking. You know, come on here see me and Maliki. And you was the only body that see me that day. And my man can look for me last night and tell me say me I getting born with Maliki up in a bush. And you alone see me.
So, girl, you're not have friend. I'm your sister. You not have friend. Can't. You make me a last time.
You see me. And you see me. Nobody else don't see me. You chat to me. So to me I say, me your sister, me love you. And if you stop you, this is what you have. That
Girl,
mouth
me
there.
mouth. Nothing wrong with me mouth.
Something wrong with your mouth. You let go your mouth like a fall shit. That's how you use your mouth. Tap use your mouth. People will lick in your mouth.
Girl, shit, for shit often I mean I walk up and down often I carry people name all over.
Every day I walk and chat people business. I mean, me so regular me see you and a regular me hear about you and they not tell no lie.
Yeah.
I saw people hate you once if them a tell lie on your name alone.
Yeah, girl.
Listen to me. If you're not here, one of the somebody going to get rock, it will lick you up. Lick me? Not because you're big in a body, they're not afraid of you. They will kick you down. So thank you
That's
and
what
laugh.
I make.
Because right now my relationship done. Me and my man left me. I'm not happy about that. And the only reason I'm not licking your face, I told me your sister.
So I not go to Maliki then.
Maliki is not my man, is my friend from high school.
So if I know your friend, how you and him gonna ride in the bush?
That misinterpret when you see me and him stand up talking. I was coming from
So all you say in the bush, if you never did do something, you would find the bush.
That's the thing, you know. I say your mouth gonna get licking. Cause you love chat. You know what you see up in the bush, you're supposed to chat. You is my sister. If you
So
have me back.
I say, what happened in the bush must stay in the bush.
Right. And that me
Oh,
and you.
girl.
So when you're going to get a good
Girl, I'm
licking.
not supposed to stand up
You
so you
go
don't
on.
want bush
You
and
go on.
talk with one boy.
Why matter you want me up in the bush do? You need to mind your own business and people going to lick in your
Then
mouth.
girl, you know my business. You know my sister.
You need to go mind. If you go watch your body weight, I know make your body weight get to find out. So when
Girl,
I girl kick you down, you know drop and can't get up.
Girl, no girl can't kick me down because me scrush them. Yeah, girl.
Me Jesus.
Who can tell you say me a call up your name?